Bible Study Guide, Day 24, Genesis 35 to 37. Genesis 35. In this chapter, we see Jacob return to Bethel, the place where God first appeared to him and made a covenant with him. This time, he is instructed by God to build an altar and offer sacrifices. Jacob also buries idols and foreign gods that were in his household, showing his commitment to the one true God. As they pass through the nearby cities, God causes fear to fall upon the people, preventing them from attacking Jacob and his family. This shows God's protection over his chosen people. God reaffirms his promises to Jacob and gives him the new name of Israel, meaning he struggles with God. This marks a significant point in Jacob's journey to becoming a man of faith. After they leave Bethel, Rachel dies, giving birth to Benjamin, Jacob's 12th son. Rachel is buried on the way to Ephrath, and Jacob sets up a pillar as a memorial for her. Jacob later returns home to visit his father Isaac, who is at the end of his life. Both Esau and Jacob are present as they lay their father to rest at 180 years old. Genesis 36. This chapter lists the descendants of Esau, who becomes known as Edom. This is important as it fulfills God's promise to make Esau into a great nation. The rulers of Edom, also known as chiefs, are listed in this chapter. This is significant because it shows how God's promises to Abraham and Isaac are being fulfilled through their descendants. Genesis 37. In this chapter, we meet Joseph, the 12th son of Jacob and the firstborn of Rachel. He has two dreams that show his brothers and parents bowing down to him. This leads to jealousy among his brothers, who already had resentment towards Joseph due to their father's favoritism. One day, Jacob sends Joseph to check on his brothers who are tending their flocks. When they see him coming, filled with jealousy and anger, they plot to kill him. However, Reuben intervenes and convinces them to throw him into a pit instead. While in the pit, Joseph is sold by his brothers to Ishmaelite traders who take him to Egypt as a slave. This is the beginning of Joseph's journey that ultimately leads to him becoming second in command to Pharaoh and fulfilling God's purpose for his life. The brothers take Joseph's robe, dip it in goat's blood, and show it to their father, causing him to believe that Joseph was killed by a wild animal.